friends. Look at the pictures and listen carefully. चित्र पहा आणि लक्षपूर्वक ऐका. Aman was in college. He had many friends, but his best friend was Ronak. Hello Ronak. Hello Aman. Let's go home in my car. Munna was in the same class. Ronak is so rich and Aman is poor. How can they be friends? Aman fell ill. He didn't go to college for 3 days. His friends came to see him. How are you, Aman? Get well soon. Munna thought, I don't see Ronak. Next day. Ronak, where is your friend Aman? He is ill. Yesterday we went to his house, but you didn't come. I was busy. Your best friend is ill and you were busy. I see. Anyway, you cannot be good friends. Why? Aman didn't even ask us about you. That's all right. The next day, Munna went to Aman's house. Thank you for coming, Munna. I'm much better now. What sort of a friend is this Ronak? He doesn't come to see you at all. Oh, but he is the best of friends. How can you say that? Come, I will show you. They walked to a shop near Aman's house. What? A rich boy like Ronak working in a shop? Yes, Munna, he is doing my job. I work in this shop in the evening. When I fell ill, the shopkeeper said, if you don't come to work, I will give your job to some other boy. Don't worry, Aman. I will do your work for you. You can go back to work when you are better. Go home and rest. Ronak comes out of the shop. Hello, Munna. Here is your money, Aman. But you did the work, Ronak. I did the work for you, Aman. Now I am better. I will go back to work tomorrow. Thank you, Ronak. You have shown me what true friendship is. Now, using your own ideas, make and write at least 3 other phases like the following. तुमच्या स्वतःच्या कल्पना वापरून खाली दिलेल्या शब्द गटांप्रमाणे प्रत्येकी किमान 3 शब्दगट तयार करा. My car, my friend, my sister, my book. Aman's house, Sangeeta's house, Meena's house, Sheila's house. Fill in the appropriate dates and days. काढलेल्या जागी योग्य तो वार आणि दिनांक लिहा. First, dates. Yesterday, today, tomorrow. Today is 30th April. So yesterday, 29 April. Tomorrow, 1st May. Yesterday, 12 January. Today, 13 January. Tomorrow, 14 January. Tomorrow, 7 September. So today, 6 September. Yesterday, 5 September. Now, days of the week. Yesterday, today, tomorrow. Today is Monday. So yesterday, Sunday. Tomorrow, Tuesday. Yesterday, Wednesday. So today, Thursday. Tomorrow, Friday. Then tomorrow, Saturday. So today, Friday. Yesterday, Thursday. Complete the following using any suitable options from those given below. येथे दिलेल्या पर्यायांपैकी योग्य तो पर्याय निवडा आणि खालील वाक्य पूर्ण करा. पहिल्यांदा बघूया पर्याय. नो, वॉच टीव्ही, वर्क हिअर, वॉन्ट इट, ग्रो टॉल, fall ill, eat vegetables, jump high, get angry, have a sister. I don't watch TV. She doesn't work here. He doesn't want it. It doesn't grow tall. We don't get angry. You don't have a sister. They don't eat vegetables. Then listen to my question and complete it at once. माझा प्रश्न ऐका आणि लगेच पूर्ण करा. Where is my book? Where is your pen? Where is our class? Where is mother?